everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can find the secret conversation key in Messenger. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your secret conversation keys for your Messenger secret conversation that you had. So when you open up your Messenger here and you can see and you have to go for the secret conversation with your friend. Just go for the one of the friend and go for the secret conversation here. So here you can just go for the secret conversation if available. So you can search for that. So here you can see the secret conversation between me and my friend. After that, so if you want to find the secret conversation key, just tap on that, go for the eye icon and scroll down and you will find the secret conversation keys here. You have to just go for the verify to into in encryption and you will find your secret conversation keys easily. So this is the simple step how you can find the secret conversation keys in Messenger. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.